Americans, how do things really look in your day-to-day life after Trump's presidency began? 1. Weekly status meetings now include the phrase, "This client's plans are now on hold because of the tariffs" quite a lot. 2. I am a federal scientist for NOAA, and although we didn't have high hopes to not get fired, we just found out we're getting dismantled completely. So other jobs in science fields are getting scarcer by the minute, as well. It sucks. 3. A lot of my friends have been laid off. My wife lost her job. My bills are higher than ever. Groceries cost more. Literally everything is more expensive. 4. Day to day? Fine. And I think that's true for most people. And that's the problem. Trump is doing real damage to our country, but the inertia is huge and most of the problems he's creating now won't have serious consequences for months or years. So people who are inclined to like Trump see all the complaints as Chicken Little talk. They don't understand why we built all these systems the way we did. 5. More anxiety. People seem ruder and more stressed. Everything is more expensive. It's awful, exhausting, and terrifying. 6.